Inside your body are various organs, systems, and tissues that work together to keep you alive and functioning. These include 1. Skeletal system. Bones and joints provide structure, protect organs, and allow movement. 2. Muscular system. Muscles help in movement, posture, and circulation of blood. 3. Circulatory system. The heart pumps blood, and blood vessels transport oxygen, nutrients, and waste. 4. Respiratory system. The lungs allow for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. 5. Digestive system. Organs like the stomach, intestines, and liver break down food and absorb nutrients. 6. Nervous system. The brain, spinal cord, and nerves control body functions and responses. 7. Endocrine system. Glands like the thyroid and adrenal glands produce hormones that regulate bodily functions. 8. Reproductive system. Organs involved in reproduction, such as the ovaries or testes. 9. Immune system. White blood cells, lymph nodes, and the spleen help protect the body from infection. 10. Urinary system. The kidneys and bladder remove waste from the blood and regulate fluid balance. 11. Skin, the largest organ, protecting internal structures and regulating temperature. These systems work together to maintain homeostasis and allow for activities like breathing, digestion, and movement.